In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate code snippets in Grok. Fast Tutorial 2026. Open your preferred web browser and head to grok.com. That's the home base for the Grok AI interface. The site loads quickly and you don't need anything special installed. If this is your first time visiting, give the page a moment to initialize. You can use Grok without signing in, but logging in is helpful if you want your chats and code drafts to be saved for later. If you have an account, sign in now. It's quick, and it lets you revisit earlier prompts, compare versions, and keep your progress synchronized across devices. If you're just trying things out, feel free to continue without an account. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see the Grok AI workspace. Front and center is the conversational area where responses will appear. The layout is intentionally minimal so you can focus on the request you're about to make and the code that comes back. Look toward the bottom of the screen for the chat bar. That's where you'll type your instructions. Think of it as your prompt box. The more clearly you describe what you want, the better the snippet you'll receive. If you know the language, framework or version you need, mention it here to save time. Now ask Grok to generate code snippets. You can start broad, like generate code snippets that show how to connect to an API in Python, or be specific, for example, generate a JavaScript function that debounces an input with a 300 ms delay, includes inline comments, and works in modern browsers. After you send your prompt, Grok will return a snippet along with an explanation. Skim the explanation to confirm it meets your requirements, and glance at the code for structure, imports, and any assumptions it's making. If the first result isn't quite what you had in mind, simply ask again with more detail. Refinement is part of the workflow. You might say, make the snippet TypeScript safe and include basic error handling. Or, convert this to Python 3.12 with type hints and a short docstring. Or, keep it under 20 lines and add a quick usage example. You can also request formatting changes, like add comments for each step. Or, explain time complexity after the code. Grok will adjust the snippet and the explanation to fit your guidance. That's all you need to generate clean, reusable code snippets in Grok. Open the site, optionally sign in to save your work, use the chat bar to describe exactly what you want, and iterate with follow-up prompts until the result matches your needs.